I always believed, and therefore Utsav Fashion is a typical case, that good things happen by chance. Utsav Fashion started in year 2000, had to only export online because not many vendors were willing to give us the merchandise for fear of duplication once the merchandise come online. We are in the business of selling Indian ethnic fashion, which means sarees, salwar kameez, Indo-Western, and Indian ethnic menswear online. Now, in this process, so we started from an offline store in Jaipur through email and then through e-commerce, exporting all over the world. Few things have remained constant in the business. Like this business is profitable right from day one, unlike many other e-commerce company, and the company remained profitable for 11 years, continuous profitability, and finally they decide to hire me. And because the family never believed, and which is growth versus profitability, they said, okay, you can achieve unlimited growth and profit is definitely come. And so last year, like last 3 years for us have been, and we have been open in sharing our numbers, that we grew from 30 crores to 56 crores, and this year we'll cross 100 crores. But when you grow at such a pace, so far I have not discovered that for a period you will incur a loss. So this year we'll incur a bit of loss when you grow by 100%, and that is a hard reality that people have to see. But at the same time, as we see future, the moment we moderate our growth rates, which are I think by industry standards still good, that if I look at 40-45%, we may still have profit for the company which will be in excess of 10 crores on a turnover of around 140-145 crores. So that is a paradigm. Now in this, the export provides actually a huge opportunity for all of us, because in exports, or maybe it's an organization philosophy, we have always maintained our unit gross margins. We have never sacrificed our unit gross margin, whatever may be the turnover. And whatever investments also we have made in marketing. On online behavior, many of the challenges that people say that, okay, whether people want to have a look and feel of the product, so just check that we are selling Indian ethnic wear, are 90%, so 80%, okay, 93% of the turnover comes from women's merchandise, only 7% comes from men. And we customize 50% of the garment made to measure. So that means that people are submitting their measurements, we tailor them, and we send across the globe. And therefore we are different.